Ebrahim, we're going to take your online pricing course, Pricing and Sales Leadership, Bridging the Gap, that is for CPP credit. And we're going to do that live this fall in a one-day event where folks can sit and have real-time interaction with you, but from the convenience of their own home and at their own computers. So in that course, in just a sentence or two, what can attendees expect to walk away with after that session?
Hello, Angie. I'm looking forward for September. There's a lot to take away from that course. The biggest one is how to translate all the knowledge, the technical knowledge, the technological capabilities into action. So that's the translation into linking with other functions. So there in the course, we will be looking at practical tools on how to build trust, on how to enrich understanding, how to get closer into building common targets between pricing and other functions, mainly sales. So that's some of the things to expect during that workshop.
And I tell you, Ebrahim, if I had $1 for every time I had a attendee or a member company, or even somebody in the pricing space that's not a part of PPS, say to me, "What's the key to partnering with sales?" And across the org chart, I would be a very rich woman. So why is right now the time for pricing and sales professionals, given the context and the landscape we're working within today? Why is it time to strengthen that partnership at this moment?
Well, we're getting more and more stronger muscles on the technical and the technological ability that we need to balance it into the translation into the effective part. Also, sales are having more and more access to pricing tools off the shelf. So what is the value that the pricing team and the pricing professionals bringing to the table? And it's not only the technology, it's something beyond. And so we are going to tackle this something beyond, how to create that connection to make our presence as pricing professionals a valuable and sought after presence.
And last but certainly not least, if someone's on the fence about attending this CPP workshop live and in real time with you on the day of, as opposed to just taking it online, sitting at their desk at their own pace, what would you tell them is the benefit that they must join you in person that day, or they'll miss X?
They'll miss a very rich discussion, and also they'll miss some practical exercises that we were going to run through the day. Reading the book or seeing the webinar is good. However, putting it to practice, having that kickstart to that process of change, that is part of what we will cover during the workshop. So it's the discussion and it's the practical exercises, not just the knowledge sharing.
Well, I'm very much looking forward to having you. Very excited for our time together in September. And thank you for your time today. Thank you for your partnership. And we're so grateful to have you a part of the community.
Thank you. See you in September.